welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the next two stanzas of class 9th poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. This is the third stanza. In the third stanza, the poet goes in a flashback. When he goes in a flashback, he thinks of the time when he was standing at the diverged road. And then he thinks, and both that morning equally lay, both the roads equally laid in front of him. In leaves no steps has trodden black, and the leaves were not become black by the people stepping upon it. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now he thinks that he has kept the first road for another day, and he already knew that how one road leads to another road, and as he is moving further, he will find more choices, he will find more diverse roads, and he has to move on, and at that time he doubted he will never have the time to come back and use that road. I shall be telling it with a shy, somewhere ages and ages hence. Somewhere ages and ages hence, he is going to retell it with a shy. Shy here is used because he is regretting because he could not take the other road. Two roads diverged in a yellow boat, and I took the one less travelled by. Somewhere ages and ages hence, he is going to tell two roads diverged in the yellow woods, and he has taken the one which is less travelled by. And that has made all the difference. And the choice which he has made all the difference in his life. So students, you have seen how choices makes all the difference in his life. Now the whole poem is a monologue here, students. Monologue is a long one-sided poem, and as you can see, this poem is a long poem and it is a one-sided poem, so it is a monologue. So my advice to you students would be, never follow others' dream. Never think your friend is doing this, so you also have to do it. Your friend has chosen the subject, so you also have to take the same subject. Be confident on your own choices. Don't be a ship, moving one after the other, following each other. Be a lion. Take your own decisions, make your own choices, and move further in life. And while you are moving further, there will be a lot of obstacles, there will be a lot of ways in front of you, there will be a lot of diversions in front of you. So at that time, don't make excuses, don't find excuses. Always find solutions for your problem, and for sure, success will be yours. Thank you, students. I am sure you have understood this poem. Keep watching my channel.